Good day. It is time that we head over to Dickhead's house and do his brake pads on his RS. So here we go. Alright, we're here. We're doing his brake pads. Where are your brake pads?
I guess I need to get them out of the back of the car.
Yeah, that would be helpful. Did you get stock ones? Or did you get like carbon ceramics?
Yes. Everybody says the stocks are fine. A lot of people just track with the stock ones and they say that they're fine.
So we'll look at his rotors while we're down there just to make sure he's got no divots or anything in them. He shouldn't. He's only got, what, 35,000? 34,000 miles on the car. So his rotors should be totally fine. But we gonna jack up the car, and luckily he's got a set of tools and I got a set of tools, so we should be able to knock it out really quickly.
Your tool!
Wait, hang on.
My name, Demi!
Dolly! So we should be able to knock it out relatively quick. This is triggering me having my hat like that.
They're a pretty decent sized pad for the front.
It's like an unboxing video. What are they? Oh Jesus, those are a good size.
They're pretty meaty too. Look at that.
Damn. So what tipped you off that you needed new brakes? Are you squeaking?
When I got my last oil change, they do the inspection during it, and I did that a couple months ago, and they said I was at a 3. So
That's at a 10, isn't it?
Yeah. So I knew that I was getting close for a while, and like every time I'd be like, all right, I need to order brakes this week. I need to order brakes this week. I'd be like, all right, I'm gonna do it on Friday, and then I forget. And so finally, I got the part number for it.
We'll look at them. We'll take them off. We'll see how bad they are. We'll do a side-by-side comparison. I don't think they'll be that bad.
They're probably like almost metal on metal at this point, honestly.
You think so? You think that bad? If yours are that bad, then I need to look at mine. Because we almost have the same mileage. I don't drive as hard as you.
Yeah.
But, because if yours are already almost metal on metal, then I need to look at mine.
You have to think with our cars too, the torque vectoring also.
Oh, that's true.
So
yeah.
That's why
yours uses brakes like. So in these cars, the way the torque vectoring and stability control works, the car uses the existing brakes to get rid of torque steer and shit like that. He's all-wheel drive, so all 4 of his calipers and pistons and everything are like firing at all times. So
if you have these cars and you're not used to torque vectoring and stuff like that, you're probably going to more premature than you would on a different vehicle because they're going to wear sooner. So make sure you check them out.
You can also get around that by engine braking instead of just like foot braking. Little tip.
Get yourself a friend like this, so if you're a scrawny little bitch like me, you can have somebody else do all the work.
Oh god! That was so much looser than the other ones.
That's so loose butthole, bro. He said he needed to work.
By the way, torque wrench should never be used that way, but it's the longest wrench I got.
You're gonna love my nuts. What does Player 2 taste like?
Ass. I'm not a huge fan of it. I left everything over there.
I'll get it.
Alright, so what we gotta do next is remove... Oh god, I'm trying to do it backwards. This
I guess you're right, these aren't.
and this bolt. What?
When you have them like this,
They're not that bad.
that's really not.
And these are 18 mils.
Hang on, let me taste your juice. Suck it.
I hate this so much. Oh my god. Told you. fuck?
Alright, how can I help?
I'm about to like lay under this and bench press it. Yeah.
Dude, there's like so much left on my finger. I can see it all right here. It's so nasty.
All the leverage.
You want a man to get in there, boy? You're welcome. I'm fucking that shit with my mom.
Round start. Oh my god.
You need support?
I'm so sweaty.
Like mom spaghetti.
Sweaty like mom spaghetti.
I don't.
This bolt right here is a 13. Gotta get that one off. Oh, nope, that's tightening. We don't want that.
It's like kind of fruity, but also not at the same time.
It's a little fruity. You get that hammer?
Yeah.
This only applies to Brembos. This Brembo has to be overcomplicated.
Because they're fucking quality.
Yeah, remember what you said about. What am I doing? What you said about the last thing that was quality.
Huh?
What? What?
Yeah, they're quality fog lights.
Screwdriver. Where'd that go?
You didn't ask for that.
Well, now I need it.
Oh, you got all greasy and shit. Ugh. Oh, there's brake fluid all over it. No wonder why.
Ah, the true sign of someone that never works on their car. So dirty. What are you doing?
Go fuck yourself.
Let me see this. I wrap this.
We're just gonna.
Little bitch boy is worried about his brake calipers getting scratched.
He fucked up the other side.
And fuck up the other side. The other side just has no character now. I'm gonna push this down. Pull. Ready?
Yep.
Ow!
We got it.
Fuck.
First
Hurt.
try.
Hurt a lot.
It's frustrating. Frustrating.
The worst.
The other one was better. You have a big ass mark on your face from the other one.
Hate you.
Huh?
Here, I'm gonna use this side so I don't scratch your
So you
caliper.
taint me?
Yep.
What the ghetto shit?
So I don't scratch your caliper. Duh.
You like bend the shit out of it. Apparently, I'm not allowed to work at all, so.
It's like, I get super OCD about stuff like this. So it's like I would rather do it, even though I run the risk of ruining his car. Basically, we just gotta get these pins out.
Tell us how you feel.
Frustrated. Because these are the most complicated brakes I've ever had. Oh god!
Oh, that sound, bro! I thought we were about to go to the hospital.
So Daddy might have tightened it. There we go. So you loosen that.
Oh!
Get some juices flowing. And then we're gonna push the pads and it's all gonna come squirting out.
Oh!
On the GoPro! Oh no! My shoes! I like these shoes!
It's so warm!
And there we go. Now we tighten this up again.
Here, sniff my finger.
No big deal.
So you guys can hear it at home.
Popping and hits and Z-brakes and... Alright, should be good. That is how you change Brembos. Alright. So, sub if you enjoyed this and see you in the next one. This is a pain in the ass. Bye. Here comes the brake fluid.
Back in your day, like.
Back in my day? Not that much older than you.
Back in your heyday.
God.
Were you born in like the fucking 70s?
92. I'm a true 90s kid.
No.
Unlike all you fakers out here.
I'm still a millennial.
I was born in 95. My name's... Were you born in 95?
No.
6?
No.
3?
No.
4?
Yes.
Oh.
I'm just gonna guess everything around it that's not it.
This is Cardi B.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Cardi.
Oh my god, I feel your shorts on my back.
Spoiler alert, that's a pickle in my pants. I just carry it around. It's until I get hungry.
In case you get hungry? That's gross. See, what's funny is I think everyone, and by everyone I mean you and Becca, they think I just have something against Cardi, and I don't. I just fucking hate her music.
Why?
She's terrible.
What?
Well, I'm not like a rap music person.
They're urban musics.
Urban musics. Plural. Ah!
I already pointed at it!
Gotta take this one off. That way we can move the pistons.
Spoiler alert, she's a squirter. A little bit of backstory. While I'm at work, I'm not allowed to have my phone. And, Joey thinks that he reigns free. And he likes to play King of the Castle for like 8 to 10 hours while I'm at work. And so he tries to like roast people, and then I get off work, and on my Facebook feed I see all the shit that he's commented on. So I get off work, and I proceed to roast him on his own threads. And he's not a fan, but I think it's hilarious.
Oh lord.
I'll give you something you can sit and spin on.
What the fuck, Dave?
It's not gay.
That's on there. That's a little snug. Oh, who put these on?
Forward.
Dude.
Put some muscle into it.
I'm nervous that this is gonna slip and just totally fuck the teeth up on this little adapter thing. That's all my weight. I'm gonna hit myself in the dick with this. Oh, dude, it's not coming off.
So we're having some technical difficulties here. Apparently, the people at Ford decided to torque these to like 1,000,000 foot-pounds.
I've never used this. I don't even know how to adjust this. I'm putting it at 130. I don't know what that means. But I'm putting it
This
there.
is not going to go well. We finna.
Oh my god. Okay, well your wheels are torqued past 120. Dude.
This is not.
Dude, it's like full-blown cardio. It's too low. Dude, I'm still gonna throw my back out today. Oh, what?
They went easy on that one. They're like, man.
I think the dude just went like crazy with the impact wrench.
We stood here for like 10 minutes. This seems good.
That was legit difficult. Oh, thank you.
Beep, beep, beep.
Keep your touch. I need to keep your touch. Rotors look good.
That's a plus. Oh, my nose. What are you gonna say about when we go to the other side?
Fucking.
To the other side.
That we know what we're doing now.
You should definitely take bloopers from the other side, though.
I mean, I use, but most of what we got from the other side.
So now that we know what we're doing, this side should go faster.
Hopefully these lugs aren't ass.
Should go faster.
Oh God!
Oh, Jesus scored.
There's the money shot.
Oh, hang on my finger. Oh, that did not feel good.
So awkward.
Gently easing down onto a cucumber.
Ew.
You like fucking pinched the shit out of my thumb.
You okay, boo boo?
No! There's a taint shot. You're gonna go back there and rewatch it again. What the fuck? It's not.
This is worse.
You just see hands.
Okay.
What's up?
So we have two options. I can press the brakes to make sure the pads go, or you can do it.
What is it? What's the difference?
I have to touch your door.
Oh, yeah. I was like, is there something like oddly weird about this?
Hang on, not yet. Let me get my light on.
Say now?
Hang on. All right, go for it. Do one more time. How's that feel? Mushy?
No.
Pump it a couple times. Feels good?
It's it.
Not mushy?
Definitely not mushy.
That? Oh my God. Brembos are the most difficult brakes ever to change the pads on. Jesus. Take pliers. Do you really not have pliers?
What if I told you?
I mean, I can do it with a hammer. I mean, I'd have to put this there and whack it. I would recommend you have pliers.
I don't have pliers! Ah! Ah! My knee! My knee!
My knees, my soul.
Oh!
Ah. Swear to God, if anyone's like, you really help me do my brakes? Sure, what kind do you have? Brembos? Fuck you.
You did. Why?